Have you ever paused for a moment holding a handful of walnuts and wondered what would actually happen if you made these humble nuts a part of your daily routine? Imagine this. Every single day you reach for a small handful of walnuts, maybe as a snack between meetings, or as a crunchy topping on your breakfast. What kind of changes might you notice in your body, your mind, and even your mood? Well, get ready, because today we're diving deep into the world of walnuts. And trust me, the benefits are more impressive and more surprising than you might think. Let's crack open some nutty facts that might just change the way you snack forever. Walnuts aren't just a tasty treat, they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with compounds that can transform your health from the inside out. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a busy professional juggling deadlines, or someone simply looking to boost your well-being, walnuts have something to offer you. Have you ever noticed how walnuts look a lot like tiny brains? That's not just a quirky coincidence. In fact, for centuries, people have believed that foods resembling certain body parts are especially good for those parts, a concept known as the doctrine of signatures. And in the case of walnuts, science actually backs this up. Walnuts aren't just brain-shaped, they're bona fide brain food. Their unique structure is a fun reminder of the powerful impact they can have on your cognitive health. So what makes walnuts so special for your brain? The answer lies in their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't produce on its own, so you have to get them from your diet. These healthy fats are crucial for building and maintaining brain cells, supporting memory, and even improving your mood. In fact, research shows that people who consume more omega-3s tend to have better focus, sharper thinking, and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. Imagine acing that big test, staying laser-focused during a long workday, or simply feeling more mentally alert, all thanks to a handful of walnuts. But the benefits of walnuts don't stop at your brain. These nuts are also a heart's best friend. Eating walnuts regularly has been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol that can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. At the same time, walnuts help raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind that helps clear out your blood vessels. Plus, the antioxidants and plant compounds in walnuts help reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in heart health. So, by adding walnuts to your daily routine, you're not just feeding your brain, you're also giving your heart a big, healthy hug. Speaking of antioxidants, did you know that walnuts are one of the richest sources of antioxidants among all nuts? Antioxidants are like your body's personal bodyguards, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm your cells, speed up aging, and even contribute to diseases like cancer. The antioxidants in walnuts, such as vitamin E, melatonin, and polyphenols, work together to neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy and resilient. So every time you snack on walnuts, you're giving your body a powerful defense against the stresses of modern life. Here's a wild fact that might surprise you. Walnuts can actually help you sleep better. That's right. These nuts naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep or stay asleep, adding walnuts to your evening snack routine could make a real difference. Melatonin helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and get some rest. Plus, the magnesium and healthy fats in walnuts help relax your muscles and calm your mind, setting the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Imagine drifting off more easily and waking up feeling refreshed, all thanks to a simple, delicious snack. But wait, there's more. Walnuts are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, supporting a healthy microbiome and improving digestion. A healthy gut doesn't just mean fewer tummy troubles, it's also linked to better mood, stronger immunity, and even clearer skin. By adding walnuts to your breakfast, lunch, or snacks, you're giving your gut the fuel it needs to thrive. And because fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, walnuts can also help you manage your weight and avoid those pesky afternoon cravings. Now you might be wondering, how many walnuts should you actually eat each day to reap all these amazing benefits? The good news is, you don't need to go overboard. Just a small handful, a serving of about 1 ounce or roughly 7 whole walnuts, is enough to make a real difference. That's easy to add to your morning oatmeal, toss into a salad, or enjoy as a quick snack on the go. And because walnuts are so nutrient-dense, a little goes a long way. So, there's no need to worry about eating too many. Just a modest daily serving is all it takes to support your brain, heart, and overall health. And don't worry, you don't have to eat a whole walnut tree to get these benefits. Pause, chuckle. Sometimes people think that healthy eating means making huge, complicated changes to their diet. But with walnuts, it's as simple as adding a small handful to your daily routine. Whether you're young or old, a picky eater or a foodie, walnuts are an easy, delicious way to boost your nutrition without any fuss. Plus, they're naturally gluten-free, vegan, and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. Just pure, wholesome goodness from nature. So the next time you're looking for a snack, whether you're at your desk, on a road trip, or relaxing at home, reach for some walnuts. They're portable, mess-free, and don't require any special preparation. You can enjoy them straight from the bag, mix them into trail mix, or pair them with fruit for a balanced snack. And because they're so satisfying, you'll be less tempted to reach for less healthy options like chips or candy. Making walnuts your go-to snack is a simple, delicious way to support your health every single day. And let's not forget, walnuts are seriously tasty. Their rich, buttery flavor and satisfying crunch make them a joy to eat, whether you're enjoying them on their own or as part of your favorite recipes. From breakfast to dessert, walnuts add a delicious twist to just about any dish. And here's the best part, studies suggest that people who eat nuts like walnuts regularly may actually live longer, healthier lives. That's right, by making walnuts a part of your daily routine, you could be adding years to your life, all while enjoying a snack you love. So what are you waiting for? Go nuts! Your body, your brain, and your taste buds will all thank you. Whether you're looking to boost your memory, protect your heart, improve your sleep, or simply enjoy a delicious snack, walnuts are the perfect choice. Start small, make it a habit, and watch as these little nuts make a big difference in your life. Here's to your health, happiness, and a lifetime of nutty goodness. Let's take a closer look at what's inside a walnut. Each serving is packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In fact, walnuts are one of the few plant foods that provide a significant amount of omega-3 ALA, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans who might not get enough omega-3s from fish. They're also a good source of magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function, and copper, which helps your body make red blood cells and keep your immune system strong. Plus, you'll find B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and brain health. With so many nutrients packed into every bite, it's no wonder walnuts are considered a superfood. Wondering how to add more walnuts to your meals? The possibilities are endless. Try blending walnuts into a creamy pesto sauce for pasta, using them as a crunchy topping for roasted vegetables, or mixing them into your favorite baked goods like banana bread or muffins. You can even use ground walnuts as a nutritious coating for chicken or fish, adding flavor and crunch without the need for breadcrumbs. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making your own walnut butter. It's delicious on toast, fruit, or straight from the spoon. Did you know that walnuts have a rich history that spans thousands of years? These nuts have been enjoyed by cultures all around the world, from ancient Persia to modern California. In fact, walnuts are one of the oldest tree foods known to humanity, with evidence of their use dating back to 7000 BC. Today, California is the world's leading producer of walnuts, thanks to its ideal climate and fertile soil. When you enjoy a handful of walnuts, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also connecting with a tradition that's been cherished for generations. Throughout history, walnuts have been prized not just for their taste but also for their health benefits. Ancient Greeks called them karyon, meaning head, because of their brain-like appearance. In traditional medicine, walnuts were used to treat everything from digestive issues to skin problems, and in many cultures, walnuts are a symbol of wisdom, abundance, and good fortune. So, when you snack on walnuts, you're tapping into a legacy of health and happiness that stretches back through the ages. Walnuts aren't just good for you, they're also good for the planet. Walnut trees help improve soil health, provide shade, and support biodiversity in the regions where they're grown. Many walnut farmers use sustainable practices to protect the environment, such as conserving water, reducing pesticide use, and recycling walnut shells as mulch or compost. By choosing walnuts, you're supporting a food that's as eco-friendly as it is nutritious. If you're looking for a simple way to improve your health, walnuts are a great place to start. They fit easily into almost any diet, from Mediterranean to plant-based to low-carb. And because they're so versatile, you can enjoy them in sweet or savory dishes at any time of day. Whether you're trying to lower your cholesterol, manage your weight, or just feel your best, walnuts can help you reach your goals. Here are a few fun facts to impress your friends. Did you know that walnuts are technically the seeds of a fruit, not true nuts? Or that the English walnut, the most common variety, is actually native to Central Asia? And get this, walnuts have even been to space. Astronauts have taken them on missions as a healthy, energy-boosting snack. So the next time you munch on a walnut, remember, you're enjoying a snack that's truly out of this world. To get the most out of your walnuts, it's important to store them properly. Because they're high in healthy fats, walnuts can go rancid if left out too long. For the freshest flavor, keep your walnuts in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer. This helps preserve their nutrients and keeps them tasting delicious for months. And if you buy walnuts in the shell, they'll last even longer. Just crack them open when you're ready to enjoy. Of course, it's important to remember that walnuts are a tree nut, so they're not safe for everyone. If you or someone in your family has a nut allergy, be sure to check food labels carefully and talk to your doctor about safe alternatives. There are plenty of other healthy snacks out there, so you can still enjoy a balanced diet even if walnuts aren't an option for you. Ready to take your health to the next level? Try the Walnut Challenge. Add a handful of walnuts to your diet every day for a month and see how you feel. Share your favorite walnut recipes with friends, or challenge your family to come up with creative ways to enjoy this superfood. You might be surprised at how easy and delicious it is to make walnuts a regular part of your life. No matter your age or lifestyle, walnuts have something to offer everyone. They're a smart snack for kids, a brain booster for students, a heart helper for adults, and a longevity food for seniors. By making walnuts a part of your daily routine, you're investing in your health today and for years to come. So the next time you see a bowl of walnuts, don't just walk by, grab a handful, savor the crunch, and know that you're doing something amazing for your body and mind. Here's to walnuts, your brain's best friend, your heart's ally, and your ticket to a healthier, happier you. Go nuts and enjoy every bite. Pause, cheerful music fades out.